Imagine typing just one sentence, and in less than a minute, it turns into a fully animated YouTube short that can go viral. No camera, no fancy editing software, no experience needed. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, even if you've never created a video before. Why it matters: short-form video is exploding. YouTube Shorts gets over 70 billion views daily. The fastest way to grow right now is by creating shorts that people want to watch consistently. But the hardest part? Filming and editing. That's where AI tools come in. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to take a single line of text, turn it into an AI-generated video clip, edit it into a YouTube short format, vertical, under 60s, add captions, music, and post. I'll show you real tools you can use today, some free, some freemium. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create your first AI-powered short. Step 1. Craft your one-line prompt. Your one line is basically your script. The more vivid, the better. Example: a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars rushing through neon skyscrapers. Tips: be descriptive. Add details like mood, time, action. Keep it short but clear. Think visually. What would people stop scrolling to watch? That single line will guide the AI in generating your video. Step 2. Generate the video with AI tools. Introduce top 2 to 3 tools. Screen recording style. But since this is faceless, you can overlay tool UI. Google Veo 3 via YouTube Shorts AI, new integration. YouTube now allows some creators to generate shorts directly from a text prompt. Input the line, AI outputs an 8 to 12-second clip. Currently rolling out, but if you don't have it yet, here's an alternative. Pika Labs, Pika.art, free account. Paste your line, select aspect ratio, choose 9:16 for shorts. AI generates 4 to 8-second animated clips. Example: with our prompt, we get flying cars through neon lights. Runway Gen-3, runwayml.com, paid tool, but higher quality. Copy prompt, choose cinematic style. Generates more realistic or film-like sequences. Download your favorite output, ideally vertical format already. If it's horizontal, don't worry, we'll fix that in editing. Step 3. Edit into a YouTube short. Use CapCut, free, or DaVinci Resolve, free desktop. Steps in CapCut: beginner-friendly. Open new project, import your AI video clip. Set aspect ratio to 9:16, vertical. Trim to under 60s, shorts requirement. Add transitions if you generated multiple clips. Insert text overlays, good for hooks or captions. Pro tip: always keep the first 3 seconds engaging. Viewers decide fast if they keep watching. Step 4. Add captions, music and sound effects. Captions. CapCut auto captions your spoken or AI-narrated lines. Helps with retention. Many watch with sound off. Music. Use YouTube's free music library or CapCut's built-in options. Match mood. Upbeat for entertainment, calm for inspirational. Sound effects. Add whooshes, clicks, or ambient sounds for realism. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing for views. Title: a futuristic city with flying cars, AI-generated. Description: add keywords like AI shorts. Text to video: futuristic city. Tags: AI, shorts, trending, futuristic, text to video. Thumbnail: simple, bold text, e.g., made from one line of text. Hashtags: hashtag shorts, hashtag AI, hashtag tech. Consistency matters more than perfection. Aim for at least 3 to 5 shorts per week to trigger the algorithm. Bonus tip: scale up. Once you're comfortable, you can batch prompts to generate 5 to 10 clips at once. Create themed series like AI-generated travel spots or AI future worlds. Reuse the same audio/music across clips for branding. So that's how you take a single line of text and turn it into a YouTube short, step by step. You learn how to craft a strong prompt. Generate visuals using AI tools like Veo 3, Pika Labs, or Runway. Edit with CapCut, add captions and sound, and publish. If this was helpful, hit the like button so YouTube knows to share it with more creators. And if you want me to cover the best free AI tools for creators in 2025, subscribe now so you don't miss it.